Are you ready for the upcoming tire swapping season? I'm Fred from Kamobi, and I'm here to show you how to set up your instant marketing campaign to remind your customers to book their appointments early. By getting organized today, you'll avoid the rush and be able to benefit from greater and faster customer outreach, avoid dreaded service bottlenecks, reduce no-shows by automatically confirming and rescheduling appointments, and keep your employees focused on value-added tasks during this busy season. Let's get right to it. Before starting your tire season campaign, you should create different customer groups based on their previous activities with your operations. For this example, we'll create a group of customers who've had their vehicle serviced at Apex Motors in the last year. First, we're going to click on the Group tab on the left-hand side of the screen. We'll create a group by selecting New Group, and we'll call this one Tire Swap Campaign. Next, we'll click on Create. You can always add customers to a group manually through an import or with rules. And in our case, we're using rules to target specific customers. So we'll click on Edit Rules. And first, we'll create a set rule to make sure that we include customers with vehicles serviced in the last year. So in category, we'll put Repair Order Closed. Attribute, we'll put Last Time. Operator, less than. And value, 365 days. And we'll add a second rule here. We'll want to make sure that we exclude customers who visited Apex Motors in the last month, as their visit might have been for tire swaps already. So same process here. We'll put Repair Order Closed, Last Time, More Than, and 30 days. And rule number 3, we'll want to include only customers who don't already have any kind of appointment. So here, as a category, we'll pick Appointment, Attribute, Next One, and Operator does not exist. And lastly, we'll want to make sure we include only customers who have a cell phone number on record. So as a fourth rule, we'll put Category Customer, Attribute, Cell phone number, and operator has any value. Finally, select Save Changes. And just remember, you can edit the rules any way you'd like to target your desired customers. Once we're done with our group setting, it's time to start our campaign. Let's do this by clicking on Create Campaign. We'll call this one Tire Swap Campaign, and we'll click on Create. We're able to select the group that we want to target, and now that we've just created the Tire Swap Campaign group, we just want to make sure that it is in the targeted box here on the right-hand side. And since it is, we'll click on Next. And here we'll get to assign customer replies to a team or a user of our choice. And in this case, we'll assign replies to the BDC appointment team and click on Next. And it's now time to craft our message, and you can customize the message however you like using custom attributes, links, emojis, and much more. And in this case, we'll use the saved replies that we built specifically for tire season. You can have a preview of your message in the blue box here. And if you want, you can always send yourself a test message to double check that it's up to your standards. We'll click on Next. So lastly, it's time to schedule your campaign. You can send it now or schedule it to be sent on a later date. And for this example, we'll send it on February 24th at 10 a.m. So the last thing you want to do is check the terms and conditions box. And there you go. Your campaign is now scheduled. If you have any questions, you can always contact our support team or have a look at our help center.